A drain keeps your soil from being flooded by rain and prevents water from flowing back to your foundation. If you are concerned about water damage to your home, consider installing a drain and a foundation waterproofing system. The advantages of drainage often outweigh the cost of installing a drainage system. You might be wondering what you need to install a drainage system. All you need is a bitumen mixture with a waterproof liner, a PVC pipe, an outlet, a liner, a collection box, and a foot drain. You want to have a very thick bitumen mixture with a tiny outlet hole to have the best effect. It is also important for the outlet hole to be at least 12 inches deep. The reason is it allows water to move effortlessly through a small hole. You can either line your driveway with gravel or concrete to prevent the water from returning to your home's base, or line the gravel drain to catch the water before it reaches the ground. However, you do not want your gravel or concrete to crack or break, so you may want it to be professionally installed in order to receive the full advantages of drainage system installation. A drainage system provides the benefits of drainage that keeps water from flowing back into your house and base, keeping any dirt and debris out of your base. It is also crucial to have a water drain in place if you live in an area where heavy rainfall can be expected throughout the year. If you can't control the amount of water flowing into your house and foundation, you will soon find that without drainage benefits, you will have to pay more than you want to pay for repair work and replacement of the foundation or basement walls. The drain system will keep you from hiring a plumber every time you need to clean up the water left in your house. All you need to do is empty the box and start cleaning the surrounding area. This is a great way to save money. You don't have to pay for a sewer line attached to your foundation, which means you don't have to hire plumbers routinely. You also don't have to worry about the backup of the sewer, which causes you to get a higher water bill every month. Another critical benefit of drainage systems is helping to prevent soil erosion, which is one of the leading causes of flooding in many homes. If you don't have a backyard drain in place, you might have to regularly deal with it, which could mean the difference between an elegant outdoor living space and a ruined foundation. Remember, if you want to know how drainage systems maintain the garden moisture, you need to know precisely what it does and how it works. If you do not have a proper understanding of the water drainage benefits that your plants and trees require, you may have to water them more often and with extra chemicals. Thanks for watching. Until next time.